Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful and very easy makeup look. This is a smoky eye, really timeless, really beautiful, fits everyone. And if you want to see this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and define this little bad boy, which is amazing, really high coverage. But guys, as you can see, I'm priming or concealing only my top lids. Yeah, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and this palette, you guys, is amazing. So those are the colors and they're beautiful. And by the way, those colors are for, I would say, every season. So after priming my lids, I will use a weekender with my fluffy brush. I'm going to put it gently just to give my eye a shape. By the way, this look is really easy and it's all about layering and blending. The next color I will use is Hellride. It's a darker mauve kind of color, and with a smaller brush I'm going to put it a little bit lower than the previous shade. So in my crease here, just to do a little cut. Well, it won't really be a cut, I just call it like that, because as I said, this look is all about layering. And you can bring this eyeshadows more up because it will elongate the eye, especially if you do it like this. And the thing with the smoky eye, it will always look crazy. And by the way, you don't have to be afraid if you have fallout or if you are not precise enough, because you can go lower like this and it's fine. If you have this up a little bit, because you can always clean it up afterwards with a makeup remover, so it's good. And now I'm going to use a color Punk, which is brown, dark brown, and it's so beautiful. And by the way, guys, all these colors are really pigmented, like really pigmented, so you don't need a lot. I'm exaggerating a little bit here just because of the video and because I am filming on the natural light and stuff, etc, etc. But for a normal day-to-day makeup, you really don't need that much. Next color I'm going to use is Jet, so I'm just gonna layer it a little bit here, and this one has a fallout. From Garnier, the best thing ever, it removes everything. A cotton wipe, a makeup remover, and just watch this, bam. And now the rest, the eyeshadows that I have on my brush. So this was, I think, Hellride. I'm just going to connect the upper eyeshadow work thing with a lower one, just to have a little bit more sense. See this? And now I'm just going to do a little bit of mascara, falsies probably, and I'll be back. Here I am back. I have my lashes on, falsies, and a little bit, well, a lot of concealer from Makeup Revolution that I used for priming my lids. So let's say that this is a finished base. I'm going to use a fast base from the Makeup Revolution, or you can use any high coverage concealer. I mean, for me personally, high coverage concealer goes a lot better with this kind of look because it is a heavy makeup. But you know, on the other hand, it is a makeup, so you can use whatever you want to. It's fine. I'm going to play with this today. This will be a contour thingy for me today. So now I'm just going to use the same beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it a little bit, and hopefully this will turn out amazing. And see, I'm not smudging it. I'm not pulling my face. I am literally just dabbing. How do you say? Absorb into the skin, but not really. I want it to look a little bit more natural, but still. You see this? So about a highlight, I will use this palette right here. You see those colors? They're so beautiful, by the way. For the lips, I decided to use a Wet n Wild. I don't know which color is this. Well, it's a brown color for the lips. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's it for my look. I really hope you liked it. And yeah, that's it. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.